Here. Hey, guess what? We're going to be doing video number 11. And this is probably going to be our very last video, and we're going to completely complete the book, the journal. We're going to do the front, the spine, and the back, and we are going to finish it today. I'm really hoping I'll be able to get it all in this video. So this is video, Winter Birds video number 11. So, okay guys, so anyways, what I've done, I pre-did was, I used my handy dandy hole maker here, and I punched a hole in each side with this, a hole, if you can see it here, and here.
Tell Lise he calls you Lise.
And,
he said, tell Lise, thank you.
and so, anyway, I popped a hole in each side of here so that I can run some ribbon through here. So we can do our tie closure, like I'll show you, like when we did. And I'm wondering if I want to put a button on it or not. I'm not sure if I will. I think about it, but this is the kind of like the tie that we're going to do for that side, and the ribbon that we're going to put on it for the side. So I pre-punched the holes so that it would make it easier, so you guys wouldn't have to watch me pre-punch those holes. But that's what I used to do it. So actually right now I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and I cut out a piece that I want to cover this spine here. And it's the piece of this color here. And I just want to put it right on here and cover that. And it's a little bit, it's showing the green a little bit from the side. And so I might make it a little bit bigger. Let me see here. I'm going to make it a little bit whiter, I believe. So I want it to be a little bit whiter than this. I'm going to measure this, and then I'm going to cut it a little bit wider on the side. Okay. If I can even see that. See where I drew the line. Okay. I'm going to cut this part here. And I'm gonna see if this makes a difference at all. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna go ahead and ink the edges on this. I'm gonna cut it just a tiny bit here. Let's see here. Yeah, that covers it pretty well. A little bit out here too. Okay. And then I'm gonna ink it real good. All the edges on it. Oh, you know what I didn't make for this? I've already planned out how I'm going to do the front cover and the back and stuff, but I haven't actually gotten my paper that says Winter Birds Jump Journal, which I will probably make at another time and put it on here and show you guys right when I'm getting ready to list it on Etsy. So I'm going to go ahead and put some double-sided tape on this right here, as I did. This. And cut it. And put this on this side. Too. Like this. Okay, and then I'm going to glue it in the middle. And put some glue down the middle of it. So I want to make sure this is going to stay on really well. And so put that on there. And then I want to glue the center, and I'll rip the tapes off in a minute here. It's all on the inside of it. like this. Okay, now I'm gonna take my rip my my tapes off. My tape tabs, they call it. It's off. And this is just cardstock, basic cardstock. I'm gonna just put right on here. Look at this. Just like that. Look at that. It is slick as ever. The lid just covers it right on up. Looks so good. I like it. And that's my edge. Okay. How does that look? It looks pretty good. Alright, now for the top. I have chosen this paper that I'm gonna glue on the front. And I've gotten this beautiful paper. Put this here. And then this is a bird that I got from a magazine, Ideal magazine, I believe. And I cut that out, put that on there, and I'm going to put a doily on here, and maybe another doily somewhere. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this out and put this on. So I need to measure how big this area is so that I can just cut it to the right size. Okay, I'm going to go with 5. Some stuck on it. Okay, I'm gonna go with 5 by 7. I'm gonna do a 5 by 7 piece. Okay. Let's see. So this line right here is right on the 5. This is really close to the 5. I'm going to go ahead and use this as my cut line for my 5. Okay, and then I'm going to go down, what did I say it was? It was, 5 by 7. Okay, and I'm going to go down to here. Okay, there. Now I'm going to see if I remember where this is. Okay. Alright, it's right. Oh, let me take it and draw a line so I can see what I'm doing here. Okay. About like that. My line. And then, of course, on this line here was the 5 mark. Okay. Okay, I got it. And now you guys remember, you always do it in pencil so that if you have to erase it, you can just erase the lines way easier than if you use a pen and you can't erase it. Okay, let's see how this is. It's going to be the right size. Yep, oh, it's pretty much. I'm going to cut off a little bit. I'm going to cut it off on this line here. On this line. I think instead of putting it all the way to the edges, I'm going to leave a little wiggle room in so I can have, this doesn't cover the hole that I have right here. And that's exactly the same size I want to put on my back. So I'm going to go ahead and measure that. I think it's easiest if I turn it over and mark it. Okay. And then mark it, cut it out. Put this one out too. And I could have done them together, you know, but I just did it separate. Okay, and this one's going to go right on this line to this line here. Then I'm going to go right on this line. Hope you guys can see me. I hope I'm in frame here. I'm truly trying to get in frame here. All right, so that is that. And these are these. So put one here, and then one on the back. And we're going to have this as the side. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and me see, I'm gonna put this together and see how I want it to look first. Okay, now that goes a little bit above where I want it there, okay. I'm gonna move this up a little bit because I want the peak of this to be here. Like that. And I got this doily, and I'm like, you know what, I want to put this on here somehow. And, you know, I don't know if I put the doily on here, put this here. I might even cut this a little bit, put that there, you know. Yeah, I'm thinking I might cut this a little bit. I'm going to cut it a little bit off the end, about right here. Put that on here instead. I'll probably glue that on. Okay, and then I'll put this on there. Glue that on there too. You know what I might do is just glue this on here right now. I'm going to go ahead and glue this on here right now. And I'm going to cut a little bit off the bottom. Just a tiny, tiny bit off the bottom. So make sure it fits. And then I'm going to glue this on here. Just like this. Okay. Looks good. Okay. Let's go ahead and glue it all on. Takes a lot of time, especially when my glue is not coming out like I'd like it to. Not as fast as I'd like it to, you know? So how's everybody doing today? Thank you for my loyal supporters. Thank you for watching my videos and giving me so much feedback. I appreciate it so much. Okay, go ahead and glue this thing on. Making sure his head is under that little peak there. Okay, there we go. Then I'm going to glue this onto here. Okay, and then I'm going to glue all of it on. Okay, you know what? I'm going to use my PVA glue, my bigger bottle, because it's coming out. It comes out a little bit faster than my little bottle does. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. My little bottle. There, that comes out the way I want it. I don't have to play around with this thing, try and get it to work. You know how frustrating that is? Very. Okay. Move this on here. Just like that. Okay, good. Good, good, good. And this goes on here, on my cover. Let's let that, give that a little bit of time to glue, for the glue to kind of dry a little bit. And then, wondering if we put this here, put this on top. Just like that. And then, I don't know if I want this on here or not, this doily. Right here. I always like to put doilies on my final product. I think it looks really pretty. I think what I'm going to do is just go ahead and put glue my doily on, and then glue this on here. I think that's what I'll do. Just like that. Alright, glue this doily on. Make sure it's good. Alright, I'm just going to put it right on here. Right on the doily. Right across the top. And a little smearing of it on there. Put this on. Right about like that. Okay, looks good. You know what, you guys? Fabric always sticks really well on these kind of things. On paper and stuff. It just sticks so good. I just am amazed at how well it does that. And then this is going to just... I'm going to glue that right on here, like this. Okay. Oh, you know what I might do on it instead? I'm going to use the my double-sided sticky tape. I'm going to use that on the back of this instead. I think it holds up better. And okay, I'll just let that dry, and then come back, and I'm going to put these on. Look at this. You want to put little strips that's probably like an inch apart. Sticks, and then I'm going to put glue in between here too. It just kind of reinforces it better by putting the double-sided sticky tape down, and then and then putting the glue in too. This is just reinforces it better, you know. So I like it better this way. So okay, look at that, and then. How we do this is that we put it on where we want it, right exactly where we want it, and then I take the first tab off and glue it, and just have that first one down so that it perfectly on there. I gotta turn. Okay, so like that. So that's right on there. Okay. And then I'm gonna put some glue in between here. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm putting glue in between each of these areas. Just kind of a little smattering of glue. So nothing perfect. So then I'm slowly going to start taking these tabs off, one at a time here, and then I'm going to just glue it right down. I'm going to just push it right down on here. And since I already have, I know that it's even, it's real easy for me right now just to come and pull these off and then just gently stick it down. Just like that. Look at that. Looks neat. I like it. Okay. Yeah, I really like it. It's going to be pretty. Alright. And then that is just going to stay on there. Just like this. Okay, and then I'll work on the back. And the back is already cut. So we're just going to put this right on here too. Just like that. Glue that down. Now I do like this, also like this, the back of this. But this is really what I wanted to do. So, you know, I'm really tempted. I'm almost really tempted to just use the other side because it's so pretty. They're both just so pretty, and so I had to. It doesn't really go with my theme as well. This side here that I'm putting glue on, because it's more of a spring theme, and I wanted a winter theme. So we just go ahead. Oh, you know what? I didn't do the double-sided sticky tape on this. Oh well, that's fine. There, it still's gonna work. It's just the back anyway, you know, really. So, okay, all right, and there's that, okay, and that's that. All right, now I'm going to take and put my ribbon through those holes that I punched in there, and I'm using this ribbon here, put through here, and this is the hard part, is trying to figure out how much you need, you know, because you need a lot to make it tie nice, you know. So let's see. I'm gonna do 2 sides. I'm gonna take all of this off, and then I'm gonna decide what I want. Okay. Now I'm gonna take it and join 2 of the ends together, just like this, as long as it is. Wow, it's long. And I'm gonna cut it in half. And then each side I'm going to put through the hole. Like this one, I'm going to join the ends together on this part that I cut in half. Join it, cut, and then I'm going to take it like this. I'm going to put it through the hole. And this is the tricky part of getting this in this little tiny hole. But it's going to be kind of tricky at times, you know, to get it in, but if I need to, I will use some type of tool to push it through if I have to. So, yep, like I'm gonna right now, use this little pokey tool. I'm using the blunt end of this pokey tool, trying to see if I can push it through with it. If not, I don't know. Yeah, because it kind of goes through the ribbon a little bit, but there, I got it through. I got it started almost. Yeah, let's see here. If not, I might have to use a blunt end of something, like a pencil or something. Let's see if that works. I think it might. Squeeze it through. There it is. And I'm going to reach in and grab it through. Like this. Oh boy, come on. No, we got it. That sun is in my eyes. I'm gonna have to fix this curtain in a minute. There we go. There we go. Okay, gonna pull it through where the folded part was. Just gonna pull it through. And I'm gonna take this, make sure these are even. I'm gonna pull it through the hole, just like this. I'm gonna tighten it, just like this. All right, there is our first little tie for a book. And then the other one, same thing. I'm gonna pull it in the middle, like this. And I'm gonna string that also on this side. Just like this. String it through. Oh no, this one easy on this side. Let's pull it up a little bit. And I'm gonna pull it through. Pull it. Just like that. Okay, we got it there. And you know, I'm not going to worry about putting a any kind of thing on here, like a grommet or anything, like a eyelet. I think it's going to be fine without it. And there's the back. Here's the front. And then you take these two and tie them. And you have your closure. Isn't that nice? This looks so good. So easy to do. You know, there we go. And then we're gonna put a big old bow on it. It's gonna be gorgeous. There we go. Look at that. Looks really pretty. Make it a little bit. Now, if you think that the ends are a little bit, you know, too long at this point, you could always cut them. But it's better to be too long than to have it too short any day. So it's better to be safe than sorry later. So let's see. And I think there is a lot of ends on it, so I think that I might cut it a little bit, just a little bit, trim it up, because I don't want it to be too long. There we go. Let's try it again. See how it looks when we tie it. Yeah, it's pretty. It's really pretty. There. Look at that. Looks good. I like it. And then you can kind of, you know, play with this and get it kind of fluffed out and stuff. You know, just kind of play around with it, get it nice. Then what you can do is you know how I do buttons, you guys. I'm a button person. You know that by now. That you can add buttons to it and whatnots. You know, different things. You know. What I do is I love these metal buttons. They're just my absolute favorite. Love them. Totally love them. Oh, hang on. I gotta shut this blind. It's just absolutely blinding me in my eyes. Can't hardly even see what I'm doing. Okay. Now, these are some extras from what I took off. I'm wondering if we can put some of these on here somehow. I don't know. Some of these little buttons and things, you know. It would be nice to just to glue some flat ones on here, because these are kind of, you know, they got this little bump on there. You know, that where you can, oh, what's, I don't even know what that's called. Where you string it at on there. You know what I might do though, since I'm having a problem with these a little bit, these metal ones. I think I'll use some either dark ones. I got a jar of these white ones put together, and a jar of these black ones. I believe these are black ones. Oh, these are the tan ones also. Oh, these will work. I like these tan ones. I forgot that I mixed my tan in here with these. So, dump some out. Take a look at what I have here. Okay, so you guys can see what I got. And I'm gonna just use this, and I'm gonna just glue this ribbon down that I used for this. I'm gonna put it like that, and just then, if you can see it, put it on the side like this. I'm gonna glue it down. Take this whole corner and glue it down, just like that. Okay, it's gonna take some time for this glue to work on this, just to hold it down, you know. In fact, it's like popping up, and it's gotta put this on there and hold it down. There. Okay, now I'm gonna take some buttons, and I don't know what to put on. Some black ones. You know, I don't know. Got some tan ones here too that would probably look pretty. Oop. Got a big button right in the top. Nope. Alrighty, this is fun. This is the fun part of creating it, you know. And I might even put them on the side, like this. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Yeah, just like this. Okay, just like that. I'm gonna glue them on. And it's gonna take time to dry, of course. You know, I just gotta make sure I get these right in the position that I want them to be in. Put this one here. See, and then it sticks on my fingers and gets everywhere. Okay, that one there. Okay, that, just like that. Then maybe, something down here maybe, I don't know. One down here, perhaps. I think I need to use a different colored one, like this one. Kind of blends in like that, okay. And or this one. I like that one, I think, better. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and glue this down. Put this over here. Okay, guys, how does it look? How does it look? Looks pretty good, doesn't it? I like it. I stood up real quick just to look and make sure that it's nice and even. It seems to be pretty even, you know, honestly. Putting a little button hat on. Okay, let's see here. Oh, yeah, that one's not all the way dry yet. I'm gonna leave it as it is here. Let this dry. Let all these buttons dry and everything. And I am going to finish the video with that. And I'm trying to make sure that the bow, can you guys see the bow really well? It's really, looks kind of nice. Okay, and that is the end of our book. I'll cut these off a little more. That's the end of our book, and I will probably come back one more time to go through it one more time right before I put it on Etsy, because I'm going to be listing on Etsy. It's going to be going up for sale, and you guys can purchase it if you'd like. the amount will be on there and everything that you'll need for that. And so anyway, guys, this is the end of our Winter Birds journal, and I hope you liked it. And I will come back again with another project. Don't know what I'm doing yet. You guys let me know what you guys would be interested in. And I'm just gonna kind of play it by ear for a little bit and kind of come up with some ideas and hear back from you guys, and then we'll see what happens. Okay? Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell all your friends to watch me, because if they're interested in junk journaling, they can learn how to do junk journaling. And okay, anyway, see you guys later. Bye.